This is Create Your Lifestyle with Lakita. It's time to get mommy a gift for Mother's Day, and that day is just around the corner. I have found 10 wonderful gift ideas I would love to have as a mom, and I think that you will too. The best thing about these gifts are that people will be able to purchase them all from Amazon. If you do it now, you may still receive your deliveries in time. So let's go. An I Love You Mom blanket with quotes that will warm her on the inside while the blanket warms her on the outside. And if you want to get fancier, number 9, the best mom ever custom photo blanket might be what you want. You can put up to 5 photos on it to make it even more special. Number 8, Dearfoams women's terry slippers. They look so padded and comfy. The set comes with a towel and a loofah, but you cannot have a spa day without a spa basket. Number 7, this Green Canyon Lavender Spa Basket includes a back brush, a pumice stone, and 17 other items to spoil your skin with. Did you hear that? 17 other items. That has to be getting your money's worth compared to other baskets. After mom has a bath, she might want to curl up to a good movie with loved ones. So number 6, Mother's Day with Jennifer Aniston. It's a drama, but if your mom is into horror, the movie Mother's Day by Rebecca De Mornay is what you want. If mom prefers to read something, number 5. I thought Filling in the Blank Love Book was different. It has 30 prompts and pages for you to personalize. I would like it as a gift for my own kids. Now, the order of this list is a 10-to-1 countdown of my faves. So number 4, Skin So Soft bath oil is a classic fave of mine. It never gets old, but a product that's new to me. Number 3, Body Restore shower steamers, pack of 12 with 3 different fragrances. I believe I would just absolutely enjoy those. Yes. Different, right? Number 2, please watch the kids. If there are any young guns, give mom a break on her day, babysit for her, and drum roll. The number 1 spot goes to Pick Art Custom Laser Engraved 3D Photo Crystal, a captured 3D memory of a dear one to put on display. How can you go wrong with that? All items in the price range of $3 to $90, and their links are in the description, so there you go. Happy Mother's Day to all moms, and come back and visit me sometime. Ciao.